Imagine growing up in a low-income community where opportunities are scarce, with an uncertain future and fearing that you were left behind. That's where VReal Academy comes.
VReal Academy is a revolutionary new program that uses virtual and augmented reality to provide personalized lessons to young people between the ages of 13 to 20 years old in low-income communities. Throughout engaging and real-life experiences, they will be able to learn the skills necessary to succeed in the 21st century workplace. Young people will interconnect in classes in which they will analyze their weaknesses and strengths and will provide real-time feedback, all thanks to artificial intelligence. But it's not all about learning. It's about having fun and making the most immersive and exciting classes as possible. VReal Academy, we hope to empower and give underserved young people the tools they need to succeed. Through understanding life-changing benefits of how cutting-edge technology will play in today's competitive job market, have the technological skill set to advance in our technological future. Join us in this journey to make a difference in the lives for those who are underserved in our workforce. We need this revolutionary approach which will deliver life-changing opportunities for young people across the globe. Support VReal Academy.